Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use LUTs in DaVinci Resolve. LUTs, or lookup tables, are a powerful way to apply color grading presets to your footage, giving your videos a professional cinematic look in just a few clicks. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you've got the program up and running with your project loaded, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several workspace tabs there. Go ahead and click on the one labeled Color. This will switch you into the color grading workspace where all the magic happens for adjusting your footage's look and feel. Now, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll see the node editor. Nodes are essentially layers of color adjustments that you can stack and combine. To add another node for your LUT, simply press Alt-S on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut quickly creates a new node in your chain, and it's much faster than navigating through menus. With your new node created, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Node Label. This step might seem small, but it's incredibly useful for staying organized, especially when you're working with multiple nodes and complex color grades. When the labeling window pops up, input a label like LUTs. This way, you'll always know which node contains your LUT adjustment when you come back to edit later. Now let's actually apply a LUT to your footage. Look toward the top left of the color workspace and click on LUTs. This will open up a browser showing you all the LUTs available in DaVinci Resolve. You'll find a variety of options here, from technical conversion LUTs to creative looks. Take a moment to browse through and choose a LUT that matches the style you're going for. For this example, click on Samsung and then select Rec 709. The Rec 709 is a standard color space used for HD video, and this LUT will help ensure your footage displays correctly across different devices and platforms. You should see the color of your footage change immediately once you apply it. Finally, let's fine-tune the intensity of the LUT. At the bottom of the screen, click the key icon. This opens up controls that let you adjust how strongly the LUT affects your footage. You can set the key output to higher if you want a more pronounced effect, or lower if you prefer a subtler look. This gives you flexibility to dial in exactly the amount of color grading you want without being locked into the full intensity of the LUT. And there you have it. You've successfully applied and adjusted a LUT in DaVinci Resolve to enhance your footage's color grading. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.